welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be sharing my top tips on how to apply mascara. Now, any makeup look, be it a simple everyday subtle makeup look or a heavy smoky eye or party look, I think it's so incomplete if you do not put on some mascara. I mean, mascara just, puts the whole eye makeup look together. So today I'm going to be using the iconic Colossal Mascara by Maybelline, and I think every makeup lover has owned this mascara at some point of time because this is one of the oldest bad boys out there. This was one of the first mascaras I ever purchased, and if you've been following my makeup tutorials for a while, then you probably know I love Maybelline mascaras. I think Maybelline is one brand that really does the mascara formula right. This tube comes for rupees 3.99, so I think that is very affordable for the quality, and at the same time it's also very long lasting. Like, it lasts for up to 12 hours. I am planning to do a wear test of this, which will be coming up in a while. So before applying any mascara, I always like to start with my lash curler. I go ahead and curl my lash like that. Now moving on to my first tip. Instead of sweeping the mascara up your lashes like this, go ahead and use a wiggling motion, and doing this wiggling motion really ensures that your lashes are coated entirely with the mascara, so the application is a lot more effective. And wow, can you see that, guys? This is only one coat of this mascara and it is already giving me so much volume. As you can see, the bristles of this applicator, it's super fine and it has a lot of bristles. So I feel that really helps in separating out the lashes. So there is like no clumping whatsoever. Now the next tip is the direction in which you apply the mascara. So when you're applying mascara, do not sweep it outside like that. I mean, if you have naturally curly and long lashes, you can always go ahead and sweep it outwards. But if you have like droopy lashes like me, then I would suggest you to go towards the direction of your nose, and that way you get an added curl to your lashes. And this technique is so efficient, especially with this mascara, because this mascara has a very lightweight formula. It does not weigh down my lashes, so it does an excellent job in holding up my curls. And because the formula is so lightweight, this mascara is very buildable, which means you can reapply it 2 to 3 times. So if you're going for that really dramatic look where you want your lashes to just stand out, then you can use 2 to 3 layers. But the tip is to not allow the mascara to dry completely before you apply a second or third coat, because when your mascara is totally dried up, then you go ahead and add a second layer. That is going to give you that kind of a spidery eye effect, and that is not a very good look. So there you go, I have 2 layers of mascara on this eye, and still my lashes look quite feathered out. They do not look clumpy. And whenever you're using a mascara, make sure to use it on your bottom lashes as well, because doing it both on the upper and lower lashes really instantly opens up your eyes. It just makes your eyes look super bright. So for the bottom lashes, especially if you have thin or short lashes, go ahead and use the tip of the applicator, because the tip is a little bit pointed, so that way you won't end up smearing the mascara all over your eyelids. Now the next tip is for all of my messy mascara appliers. This is also a very beginner friendly tip. All you need to do is take a business card or any toughened paper and place it on your eyelids before you go ahead and brush your lashes with the mascara. So as you can see, all of that dirt which was going to get on your eyelids is now on the paper, so your eye makeup is super safe. And you can do this both for your upper as well as your lower lashes. Talking about how I like to apply this mascara, number one, I love using this mascara on an everyday basis. So I just apply my sunscreen, some eyebrow, and then I go ahead and use this mascara, and I feel like it really does such a good job in just opening up my eyes. And especially with the mask on, the eyes are the only point of focus, and sometimes I just tightline my upper and lower lash line, and that instantly adds so much more intensity, and it just makes my lashes pop. And That is like a whole different eye makeup look, and I think it really looks flattering on a lot of people. So the next way I like to apply my mascara is whenever I'm going for that classic look. So in this look, you just need to add a nice thick winged eyeliner and add some bold lips, and then adding 2 to 3 coats of this mascara really puts the whole look together. And lastly, I also really enjoy using this mascara when I like to go for a nice bold lip and a lot of shimmer on my eyes, no eyeliner, nothing. And then I go ahead and add about 2 to 3 layers of this mascara on my lashes. And this is just such a pretty look which everyone can try out. So all in all, this mascara is really very versatile and you can use it in so many different ways. So if you guys are interested in checking this out, all of the links will be down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. As you can see, I applied this mascara around 10 a.m. today morning. Now I'm just gonna be heading out for some errands. I will check back with you guys once I'm back home. Hey guys, so the time right now is 8:21. My lipstick has rubbed off. My base does not look as smooth as it did before, but the mascara, as you can see, it has not smudged. It has not budged at all. It's still in place. So now I just wanted to quickly show you guys how you want to remove waterproof mascara. Now, regular mascara is pretty easy to remove. You can just take some micellar water or any cleanser and just wash it off. However, if you have waterproof mascara on, then you want to use something that is oil based. So you can take a cotton pad with some dual phase cleanser, which means cleansers which have both water and oil in it. And I just like to place that on my eyes for a while. You don't want to immediately start rubbing because it takes some time for the waterproof mascara to break down. And then just gently wipe it off like that. Just go ahead and take it from down to up and up to down, both ways, so that you get mascara off from every corner of your lash. Now I'm taking the other side and do the same thing one more time, and as you can see, it is quite easy to remove compared to some other waterproof mascaras. So that is also one plus point about this mascara. So I really hope you enjoyed watching all of these tips and different ways that you can use your mascara. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and also share this video as much as you can. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!